For the home, kitchen and beyond, Becco manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Becco appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. What do I do if my Becco electric oven has stopped working? Ensure that the appliance has not been switched off at the mains power switch. Check to see if the fuse has been tripped or blown. If the clock on your oven is flashing, it must be reset before the oven can be used again. Please refer to the instruction manual for specific advice on how to do this. How do I replace the light in my Becco oven? Make sure the product is disconnected from the mains and has cooled down beforehand. Turn the glass cover counterclockwise to remove it. Wearing a rubber glove gives a better grip. Then unscrew the bulb and replace it. Reattach the glass cover. If in doubt, consult your product manual, which will have instructions under. Replacing the oven lamp. My oven timer shows auto or A in the display. This indicates that the oven has been set to automatically turn on and off at a specified time. You will need to reset it if you want to use the oven in manual mode. Take a look at the specific instructions in the user manual for your oven to find out how to do this. What is a fan oven? A fan-assisted oven has a fan designed to circulate air around the oven. The fan distributes heat evenly around the oven to cook food more evenly, often in less time and at a lower temperature, giving you better results and the opportunity to batch cook. Why does the manual state to heat the appliance for 30 minutes before initial use? The purpose of heating the appliance 30 minutes before initial use is to ensure that any production residues or layers will be burned off and removed. How do I clean the inside of my Becco oven? If the inside of your oven has an enameled interior, the most effective cleaning method is a damp cloth while the oven is still warm. Also, oven cleaning agents suitable for enamel can also be used if required. If your oven has catalytic liners, they should not be cleaned. To remove any built-up deposits, simply remove all oven trays and set the temperature to 240 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. If you aren't sure what type of interior your oven has, please refer to your instruction manual. How does a self-cleaning oven work? A self-cleaning oven deep cleans itself at the touch of a button. Becco's self-cleaning ovens are equipped with a pioneering inbuilt pyrolytic self-cleaning feature which amplifies its internal temperature to 480 degrees Celsius. The oven is self-locking throughout the process, and once it reaches maximum temperature, all grease, stains, marks, and burns are turned to dust. Just wipe them away with a damp cloth. This Becco oven gives you the option of 2 self-cleaning programs, one for heavily soiled interiors, runs for 120 minutes, and an eco cycle, runs for 90 minutes, which can save up to 25% in energy as well as effort. Our ovens also come with official recommendation from the Energy Saving Trust, so not only will you be saving time and energy, you will be saving money as well. Overheating issues. If your Becco oven is always overheating, we can help. There could be a number of parts that could be causing this issue. But don't worry, as we offer a range of replacements. A faulty thermostat. Your thermostat is responsible for regulating the heat inside your oven, but obviously, if this part is not functioning properly, then the heat inside your oven will not be regulated properly, causing it to over or undercook your meals. This can be a major issue, as you'll have to constantly check your meals whilst it's cooking to see when it is accurately cooked. Thankfully, we sell a selection of affordable oven thermostats that will rectify this issue, and will ensure your appliance is cooking your meals accurately once again. A faulty cooling fan. Another part that could be related to your overheating issue is your cooling fan. The role of this part is pretty self-explanatory. It cools your oven cavity to prevent it from overheating. If this part stops working, then trying to keep your oven cavity cool will be a major issue. If your cooling fan has become faulty, you can purchase a replacement. Prolonged cooking times. Everyone wants their meals cooked instantly. So when your cooker is taking longer than usual to cook your meals, it can become really frustrating. Again, there could are a few parts related to this issue, but thankfully we have the replacements to resolve this issue. Underperforming oven element. Your oven element is the cooker part that heats up and distributes the heat that allows you to cook your meals. And therefore, if it begins to start to become faulty and work insufficiently, you will notice that your cooker performance will diminish, and that cooking times would have increased. if your oven element is no longer performing as good as it used to. Purchase a replacement today. Oven seal detaching. Your oven seal is a strip of rubber that is attached to the trim of your oven door, which protects the edge of your oven door as well, helping your oven to retain the heat inside the cavity. If the seal begins to come away from your oven door, heat will be allowed to escape, resulting in your oven taking longer to heat up and cook your meals. To ensure your oven is retaining heat again, purchase a replacement from our range of oven door seals. Oven no longer igniting. If your oven burner is having trouble igniting or the electrode is no longer sparking, your oven won't produce any heat, which will result in your oven being unable to cook your meals. However, this problem can easily be resolved by purchasing one of our replacements. To view our entire range of Becco oven parts, please click here. If you are having any further problems with your Becco oven, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service team. They be more than happy to assist you to ensure your oven is fully functioning again.